Chris, speak on it.
Let's talk about the people who cannot publicly praise you or support you because of how they've been dissing you in private. Y'all know those people, the ones that you bump into at the grocery store, and they take 30 minutes of your time running through the last 30 days of your life. Like, girl, I love how you traveling. I love how you doing this. Or, dude, man, I'm so happy for you and your girl things working out. Congratulations. But when you look, they ain't double tap like nothing on social media. Or let's talk about the ones that's at your job. You know, the one that sit right next to you at the cubicle. You just got a promotion and everybody knows. But they couldn't publicly say, congratulations, girl. You know why? Because they done told Ronnie, Bobby, Ricky, and Mike of how you don't deserve it. That's right. You come 1 minute late to work and they noting it. You come 3 minutes late from your lunch break and they already at the boss's desk talking about you. Or let's talk about the homie from around the way. Y'all know him, the one that be like, hey, dog, man, congratulations. I'm so happy for you, man. I see you got rid of the Chevy. I see you got a Tahoe, man. You ride big. I just want to sit up in the air. And at the end of the day, you look back and be like, but you didn't like anything. Privately acknowledging me, but you couldn't do that in public because you probably been talking about me. And it's going to make you look crazy. It's going to make you look unloyal. And chances are, you are. So people like that, listen, if the congratulations isn't heartfelt, nobody wants it. They didn't even ask for it. Also, people can take much better to a hater than a fake friend. Y'all need to cut that mess out. And again, if it's not heartfelt, you can keep it. Thank you.